Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make rose Sharbat at home. We'll begin by gathering our simple ingredients, ensuring we have everything ready for a smooth process. Then, I'll guide you through each step of preparation, from infusing the beautiful rose petals to creating a perfectly balanced syrup. Finally, we'll cover the best ways to serve and enjoy your homemade, aromatic rose Sharbat, making it a delightful treat for any occasion. To craft your exquisite rose Sharbat, you'll need a few key items. Start with about 2 cups of fresh, fragrant rose petals, ideally from unsprayed roses, for the best natural flavor. Next, gather approximately 1 cup of granulated sugar to achieve that perfect sweetness. You'll also need around 2 cups of water to create the syrup base. Finally, a few drops of rose essence will elevate the aroma and taste, making your Sharbat truly special. Let's dive into the preparation. First, gently wash and thoroughly clean your fresh rose petals to remove any impurities. Next, combine the water and sugar in a saucepan, bringing it to a boil to dissolve the sugar completely, forming a simple syrup. Then, add the cleaned rose petals to this warm syrup and let it simmer gently for about 10 to 15 minutes, allowing the flavors to infuse beautifully. Finally, strain the mixture, pressing the petals to extract every last drop of their essence. Once your rose syrup is ready, let it cool completely to room temperature before transferring it to a clean bottle for storage. For an even more intense aroma and flavor, you can add a few extra drops of rose essence at this stage. When serving, simply mix 1 part of your homemade rose syrup with about 3 parts of chilled water or milk, depending on your preference. Garnish with a few fresh rose petals or a sprig of mint for a beautiful and refreshing presentation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.